What's up everybody? Welcome to 2020. I'm Andre and this is Edible Fitness, the fitness you can eat. We're starting the new year with an awesome vegan recipe. Today, we're making lemon poppy seed sheet cake. Let's get started. All right, so the first thing you want to do is preheat the oven to 375 degrees. Next, I've slightly greased and lined with parchment paper a little pan to bake it in. So those two things first, those two things are ready to go. What you want to do next is prepare your egg. So we are doing a flax seed egg. Now, if you've been watching my videos, you would know that 1 tablespoon of flaxseed, ground flaxseed, needs 3 tablespoons of water. So just to prepare this first, I'm gonna get 3 tablespoons of water and then we'll move on. You don't need to watch that, right? Yeah, okay. Okay, that's prepared, so I'm gonna put that aside. The next thing that's gonna be put aside is the almond milk and the lemon juice. So we're just gonna let these sit as we prepare the others. Sit for about 5 minutes, both the flax seed and the curdling lemon juice and almond milk. About 5 minutes. All right, next we're gonna prepare the dry ingredients. Super simple. We're just gonna sift them into the bowl and that's it. So, flour, sugar, baking soda, baking powder, the ginger and the salt. And sift those in. Woo! Yeah, okay. Next I'm gonna add in the lemon zest as well and mix this up. Mix a mix, mix a mix. That smells amazing on its own. All right, you see, this is totally simple. Now we're just gonna add in the wet ingredients. So you're gonna add in your almond milk with lemon. Add in I'm using coconut oil, but you can also use olive oil if you want. And I'm gonna add in our egg replacement right in there. Now you don't wanna overmix this, so just until everything is incorporated, then we're gonna add in the poppy seeds. This is incorporated. Gonna add in the poppy seeds. Again, don't overmix. So, take your pan and pour it out. It is a thick batter, so you will have to spread it just a little bit. All right, that is good to go. Like I said, oven is preheated to 375. This is gonna go in for about 35 to 40 minutes. Make sure to check it though, with a little fork or a toothpick or something, that it comes out clean in the middle. Let's go. Okay, so while the cake is cooling down, you can actually put it in the fridge if you want to do that as well. We are going to make the buttercream. This is super, super easy. Put that into a bowl. Now I'm gonna whip this for about 5 minutes, and then I'm gonna start to add in increments, the powdered sugar. That's it. It's either gonna become a very, very pale yellow or a white, depending on the butter or vegan butter that you use. So this one is looking very, very creamy. This is great. So I'm gonna start to add in the powdered sugar, and just in increments. Now, in order to avoid the huge cloud, I am going to use a dish oven cloth piece of thing, you know. Great. Okay, here we go. Add in the vanilla, and then you're going to beat it for another 2-3 minutes. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is split this up into 2 portions. The plain vanilla portion, that's going to be the larger section. The other one, I'm going to mix in blackberry sauce. I'm not going to add too much because I want to keep the consistency the same. Okay, so these are going to go into the fridge to stiffen up a little bit more, and they're also going to wait until the cake is cooled down and ready to go. That's it, all done, ready to go, ready for serving. These look amazing, and I may have already eaten a piece. They taste amazing, guys. You've got to give it a try. So good. I love the mixture with the blackberries and the lemon and the ginger. It's amazing. Give it a go. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, leave a comment below. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you always know when I upload new videos, just like this one. All right, I'm gonna go and take some snapshots of this because this is totally Insta-worthy. I'm gonna go do that, go eat another piece. You go make yours, but I'll see you right back here next time on Edible Fitness. Bye.